All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man, Jay Will. So a lot of you guys don't buy cases every day. And some of you guys limit your case buying budget to a very affordable, low price. But you can actually find good cases that'll protect your devices for under 20 bucks. Now, this one was $7 and this one was $8. I purchased these on Amazon. And because, the iPhone 8 Plus is a phone that I've been using regularly lately. And even though I have a ton of cases, you can get bored with, looking at the same thing. So sometimes you have to just spice it up. Just go ahead and spend a little bit of money and keep yourself interested in your phone, especially if you do not switch phones regularly. There's absolutely nothing wrong with buying several cases for your device. So this is a soft touch flexible TPU case or silicone case for the iPhone 8 Plus. And it's specifically designed for the iPhone 8 Plus because you can see it has the specific cutouts here. This one can work on the 7 Plus as well. That one will probably have a headphone jack opening on the bottom. But this one, as you can see here, it's a soft touch all the way around. It's kind of a matte feel. Inside, though, it's kind of grippy. And it's got this nice kind of fake carbon fiber look. And then it's smooth at the bottom here. So let's pop this on the 8 Plus. And this is a thin case, but it still has grip, and you'll still have some protection. I do have a tempered glass on here, and this is an affordable way to protect your phone, and it's pennies on the dollar. And I know the phone costs a lot of money, but you don't have to spend a lot of money on cases. I have UAG cases, sub cases, everything. But sometimes I don't want to wear a really bulky case. So I was looking for something that was thin, but still sturdy. And I picked up these two right here. And again, I'll have links to these in the description. There's no kickback from me or anything. I just got on Amazon, bought these and thought, you know what, I'll just share. Some of you guys out there do not upgrade on phones regularly. You'll keep the phone in its entirety, and that's the way it should be, actually. So let's put this one on here. Remember, this is a silicone case. It feels really good. It feels like a soft TPU. I got this one because it's more of a rugged case. It's a little bit harder. You've got some extra padding on here. This is kind of along the lines of a drop protection case. This one has more grip. It's a texture. You got corner protection on this one. It's just kind of built that way, but it's still just a TPU case. It's just it's a hard shell, but it's kind of flexible. So let's put this one on here. Yeah, you can already tell the difference. This one is probably the one. I actually got this one, and then I thought, well, I'll go back in and spend a couple more dollars. And I saw this one, and I was like, yeah, I kind of like this one too. So 15 bucks from Amazon Prime, and you've got two great cases for different modes. So if you're a person who is gonna work in an environment where you might drop your phone a little bit, this case probably doesn't look like it's sturdy, but it is really sturdy. You've got the cutout for the camera here is raised a little bit. You can see it's raised just a hair above the camera. So you've got some lay on the table design like that. And then on the front, it does have a lip. This one has a lip too, but this one just has a little bit bigger lip. And when you lay it down, you've got lay on the table design that way also. And I do have a tempered glass on here, but still, if you didn't have a tempered glass, and speaking of tempered glasses, you can find that on Amazon too. Jump on Amazon. I promote Whitestone Dome glasses. They're 50 bucks a pop though. So for those that don't want to spend $50 on a tempered glass, you can buy a 3-pack for $9 or $7 on Amazon. It probably won't last you 2-3 years, depending on how you are with your phones. I would change it out every 6 months. Just buy a 3-pack and change it out every 6 months, and you've got a good combination there. So I just want to share a couple of cases that I got here. And remember, this one is compatible with the iPhone 7 Plus as well, and the 6 Plus. So I just wanted to share a couple of cases here with you guys that I bought. I spent $8 on this one, and I spent $7 on this one. So, just sharing love, giving you guys some more ideas to keep yourself interested in your device. So it's your man, Jay Will. I will see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned for more.